3.2 Transformation of Identity. 3.2 Social movements not only help generate new collective identity or common identity but also provide a broad field for the transformation of social identity. This led to the formation of a unified group out of scattered individuals. Example transforming Siri into groups in fusion, Sartre 1960, or this may lead to the transformation of a collectively into a self-conscious groups or collective class in itself to class for itself, Marx 1974, etc. Sartre calls Siri the normal state of crowds, that is, a series of automatized individuals, each one seen as isolated in his or her inner world and going or his or her own way without caring about others' ways. What Sartre is pointing out is that whenever and wherever this figure is actually doing something or even just walking in the street, it has a silent companion social control. The public space is wholly under the control of the established power. Every individual, whatever she or he thinks of the manifest public discourse, all is well, and its latent content, nothing can be changed. But talks 1990, whether he or she accepts the rule of this power or rejects it, does so secretly, thus behaving as if accepting it. Therefore, each one, looking at all the others who work, comply, and keep quiet, thinks they are alone in secretly rejecting this social order. When, however, frustration mounts in each person individually, it takes only a small event to trigger an instantaneous and massive change of state from Siri to group and fusion. As soon as each person in a serialized mass realizes that some others contest the established power, as he or she takes one step forward to openly express support, a chain reaction spreads through the atomized series and transforms it into a fluid group, group A and fusion, which instantly moves from the status of subordinate passive object to that of subject capable of action. Burtock's 1990. Indeed, social movements provide the required platform for such transformation. In the Marxian analysis, transformation in the collective identity has been viewed as transformation of class identities from that of class in itself to class for itself. An identity is constructed not only through objective economic conditions but through a subjective consciousness about economic conditions that transform the social collectivity into a self conscious identity to self conscious entity to bring transform in the pre existing social order. The social collectivity with common economic position and conflicting economic interest vis-a-vis the other form objective basis of a class in itself. This is social class without identity and it is incapable of collective actions as it lacks subjective consciousness. The class in itself acquires collective identity of class for itself, getting mediated through class consciousness. In this analysis of transformation of identity, all pre-existing identities like caste, gender, race, ethnicity, etc., are subsumed under the class identity.